Got Kayla Morton.
You should be in lane 2. Test and tune in lane 2.
Kayla, body slam.
Small tire. Small tire.
Oh, yeah?
Remember that fish you caught when you were
We got Kayla in the building, y'all. Hey, Kayla, girl. Let me see if she on my. Excuse Miss Kayla, you on my YouTube channel?
I think
Look Out Racing.
No, yeah, I think I am.
Yeah, Look Out Racing. It's going down like James Brown.
Going down the red.
Yeah, she already know what it is, y'all. We're gonna have Kayla on the YouTube channel and join it. We got her on here, everybody looking. Yeah, she said, hey, y'all. They said you been exercising. They said it look like you been exercising, man.
Once or twice.
Every day, y'all. Every day.
That's my friend Ka-Chow.
Oh, yeah?
I nicknamed her Ka-Chow.
Oh, yeah? Ka-Chow?
Ka-Chow.
Where you get that from?
Lightning McQueen.
Oh, like Lightning McQueen? Okay, y'all. Let's see what we working with, y'all. We got Kayla here. GT, y'all. Okay. Got a good burnout right there. You know Yoshi finna do him one. All my people watching on TikTok, y'all come on to my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. Look out, look out. That's right, y'all get over here to the YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. Look out. I'm finna get out the way. I already know y'all want me in the middle. I'm finna get. I just wanna be by y'all. I even be low. Boosted for the win. Boosted for the win, y'all. They both did some nice, massive burnouts. Tell y'all that much. He got a flag on his shit. He brought a real deal. Me too. I got a couple of new fitted hats getting made. Y'all got a lot of new hats getting made, y'all. Flex fit. Dang, he said he'll pay 30 for a flex fit. Okay. I couldn't even see flex fit when I was there. Other side? Other side gonna win. Pillows from TikTok. What's up with it? Right lane for the win, y'all. Right lane. This side won. Now the other side. Other side won. I called it right.